Hey there, YouTube. Today we're playing PC Simulator. Now, I never saw this game. But we need to we need to get something to build. So, I tried playing the tutorial and it's kind of hard. So first you buy this thing. It comes in a little box. You need to use the hammer to open it. So you take the box. You take the wood box. You take your hammer. And you drop it on. You drop it on just like this. And it's broke. It's broken now. And you can just toss it aside. See? No. Oh. If we need money, alright, here we go. Oh, I just earned money by doing that? Huh? No, don't watch an ad. No! No! Why? Why did it have to show me that? Why? It's gone. Where did it go? Oh dear. Yellow. Come on. Stop being dumb. We need to... Drop that. Maybe we can put it against the wall. We get rid of this. Now we need other things. We need a mother. Yeah, we need a mother. Mom, can you come here for a second? Good. See? And now, is it done? I don't think it's done. It doesn't have things. We need power. Oh. Hey, it's power. And we just throw it in. Yeah. Processor here. Buy the $140 one. And wait for it to come. It's a tiny box for this thing. Okay. Now I see these are very tiny. We don't want to lose it. We don't want to lose it here. So we gotta just click it in, just like that. See? It's not hard. We need storage. So we need that storage. And we need the memory. And I think that's actually all we need to build. Oh, we can put it in the bin. Put it in the garbage bin. Alright, we get that out of there. Okay, so I don't want it to get too hot. Where do I put it? No, don't fall. No! It all fell. Oh, I done did it again. Where's what I need? About something else. Storage. Where'd it go? Oh, silly. Get back here. You stop running away from me. There, you're never running away from me again. You hear me? Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna go stick it in the hole. You got stick it in the hole. There we go. Then you take it again. You got stick it in the hole. Is it good? Well, then you press the button. Sorry? It's broken. Why is it broken? No. Stop resting in it. Leave. No, leave. I guess we're dealing with this. I need a mental health break from y'all for one moment, if y'all don't mind. Come on. There we go. Don't be broken. There we go. And I think we're missing one more thing. This. Wait, we need cooler. Get the nice cooler. Let me stick it in. Stick it in right there. And now we need one of these. That's what we need. One of these. Are you kidding me? What? Why? Why is it broken? Why? Why did I buy a monitor and it came here broken? Is that meant to happen? Maybe the next monitor we buy, we need to rest it on something. We'll buy another one. This is the last of my money. Okay, so we need more money. So we play a clicker game. Stop showing me ads! Now I have to edit it. Watching the ad gave me money. We need these. More monitors. More monitors. Hey, it's stuck. Okay, we're gonna turn this on. We're gonna tap this, then select the monitor, and then do that. And we have our computer good. See? This is my epic gaming setup. Alright. Mining. Wait, is this Minecraft? Is it Minecraft? I need to know. And person, what? I don't know what that is. Is that good? Edit. We are Ducks Matter. The password? Cool. It's not. It's oh, it's not Minecraft. Okay, so we're gonna get off the computer. All right, thank you for watching. Goodbye.